Welcome back, Yetis. Okay, so we're back and we're gonna talk about spot UV and foiling. Yes, at the same time. Okay guys, so spot UV is a clear gloss coating that can be printed in a specific area, and it's used to highlight important text and logos with a shiny sheen, as well as create just subtle artistic effects. And it uses the background of the objects, giving it 3D effects. So the foiling comes in when it's a thin layer of metal imprinted on the paper to create a reflective surface. So in this example, on this label, you'll see that this is actually on white paper. So someone might look at this label and think that it's on metallic paper, but it's actually not. It's on white paper. So the black shiny lines are the spot UV, and then the foil or the chrome holographic paper is laid down on top of that. Great news, you can get those in a bunch of different varieties. So you can do silver, gold, chrome, holographic. We have a couple in stock, and if you need something specific, definitely ask us for it, and hopefully around the holidays we'll have some other special stocks on hand so we can do some of the fun stuff with that. But basically you can lay down those two different methods in one. That's definitely not heard of. Again, this is eliminating all the tools, die charges. We went from something using the clanky dies for the foils, and now having to do the spot UV plates, and now it's in one inline process. So this is crazy fast, definitely affordable. It's unheard of to do small quantities in these different types of images and different types of details with these. All right, so right here you can see on this label, we're seeing the foil laid down on top of the metallic paper. And you can also see the moon up in the corner. Well, we have a spot UV up in that area, making it shiny. The ink is actually laid down on top of the metallic paper, giving it that color. But then we laid down the holographic paper on top of it, giving it that cool little sheen or shimmer as you rotate the picture. Industries, this is great for any industry in my opinion, but I think some of the top ones would be, supplement labels, cosmetic labels, definitely any beverage, wine, spritz. I think the wine industries would like this a lot because I know a lot of times they spend a great deal of setup fees, cost, toolings into the foiling process because they always want that extra shine and giving it that classy look, whether it's a silver foil or gold foil. It kind of doesn't matter. They have to always purchase those big old clunky dies, and you're investing so much money, and then you're like, well, my minimums have to be this. But with this innovative way, no, not at all. Like, it's a lot more affordable. So we're using the DigiJet, or the new machine we have, to lay down the foil on your labels, and it can be in small quantities. The setup costs aren't there. In fact, I totally encourage you to change some of the labels because I think it's fresh for some of your customers. And I think if they're going through the line, I know I hear that a lot in feedback from even our current customers, like, oh my God, we changed up the label, and people were super excited to try to go find it and look for something new, or you're up to date with holidays or different current events. Definitely send us your artwork. We can get you guys some samples, test samples, any types of kits maybe you're promoting and trying to get into different stores with. This is a great way to do it. Again, I'm amazed at the technology, and I'm super proud to be in this innovative company to where we're actually going into these machines and using this technology. Okay, so that pretty much wraps up how you can integrate spot UV and foiling into one process on one label. In the next video, we're gonna actually go on the machine and dive into that and show you guys how it works. It's gonna give you a great and a way better idea of how all this comes together. Catch you in the next video. See you later, Yetis. Thank you. Lines.